Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee and this is Voguish Beauty. So today we're going to be doing an interesting little segment on my shoes. So we're going to be doing another shoe haul, and this time we're going to be doing just heels, and this shoe haul is really long overdue because some of these shoes I went ahead and already wore. So without further ado, let's get into this shoe haul. Oh, by the way, you like my nails? I got them to like kind of match my backdrop, and I'm kind of like really living for this right now. Okay, so since we're on the topic of yellow, and yellow just so happens to be one of my favorite colors, we're gonna start off with these bad boys. So I got these shoes from Ego. Actually, that's a shoe company based in the UK, and let me tell you, I love Ego. Okay, I think it's like Ego official on Instagram or something, and they have like some of the best shoes, and they're so cute, and they're actually really affordable. So I got these mules. I wore them one time. Where did I wear these? I wore these like around downtown Norfolk. Probably not the best idea for my shoes because they got a little beat up. I can't even lie, but they are literally like, they're everything. Like, these are so freaking cute. I love them. Like, yellow on my skin pops severely, so I don't know, I just really like yellow. Okay, so of course, you know, if I like it in one color, I have to have it in the other, and these came in several different colors, like pink, I think they had a purple, they had black, they had like a blue, like they had so many different colors. But another one of my favorite colors to wear is red, and I had to get them in red. I've also worn these one time. I actually featured these in my Get Ready With Me. So yeah, another pair of mules. I also wore these in downtown Norfolk. Probably not the best idea, but definitely really cute, and not even like the most comfy, but I mean, they have a little cushion to them. They cost me $29.99. I used a discount code apparently, so it took $6 off, and then shipping was $5.99, and I think that was for both pair, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, I had to pre-order them. I had to end up pre-ordering them at the separate times too, which kind of sucked, and they are both a size 7. They're called the Kilo Perplex Peep Toe Mule, and they're patent. So another pair of shoes that I had to have are these. Oh my gosh. So they're another mule. Look how cute. I have not worn these yet. I purchased these from Pretty Little Thing. So these actually, they say that they're size 5, but I mean, they fit my foot. So I think they're like maybe a UK 5 and US 7. Sorry, I keep turning. Let me like sit still. But yeah, love, 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 love these. Like, OMG. Who does not love a good mule? Like, I don't know where I'm gonna wear these, but I'm gonna do so effortlessly. Seriously. So this next shoe that I'm gonna show you, I actually got these from Madden. OMG, like how cute are these? I got these actually for a trip to Miami that I was supposed to go to that I actually never went on. So I was gonna wear these like at night. I really like them because they lace all the way up. Like, they go all the way up your leg. They are white, which I really don't ever wear white shoes because I'm like, ew. I figured like the colors really made them pop, so I was like, I can put this on with anything. Like, I can wear this with like an all white dress, like to an all white party, and really like pop out with the different colors. So I thought this would be cute for like Miami night. I want to pop out in this shoe. Like, this shoe cost me, I think they were on clearance for like $19.99, I think. I think I might have got them for like $10. And like, these are Steve Madden shoes. I got them from the outlet. Okay, so another shoe that I had to get, I got these from Public Desire. So I like to shoe shop, clearly, but I like to shoe shop like online more so than anything. I got these. So they're pink snakeskin. They have like the little, like, they have texture to them actually. Like, this isn't like patent, all of it. The snakeskin part is, but not the actual pink. And they have like this little clear band here, and they also lace up. I love shoes that lace up, clearly. And I like a pointed toe. Like, even though my foot is not that narrow, I really like this point. It's so chic and sophisticated to me. I don't know why I got pink. Like, it just was kind of like out there. They also had snake skin and white, but I was like, the pink ones will pop a little bit more. I thought that the scales were more on the black side. They're actually a little bit more brown and taupe, but I still would wear these probably with a black dress because you can't really tell unless you're like really up on it and like you really care about things like that. I know the whole purpose of shoe hauls and hauls in general are to tell you the prices of things, but like I said, like this shoe haul is so long overdue. Like when I originally was buying this stuff, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a shoe haul, and then like I didn't do it for like so long that it kind of just sat there. And like, I don't know, I don't keep receipts that often because I don't plan on returning anything, so I honestly can't tell you how much these cost. I'm pretty sure they cost like maybe 50 bucks, and then you gotta factor in shipping and all of that. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure, oh, I bought them in another color. Let me show you those. I bought them at the same time. So I got them in black because I think black is, you know, just kind of classic and chic. And same thing, they lace up. I've also worn these one time, and when I wore them, I got a blister so bad that I kind of was scared to wear them just because I think I had this part so tight, and I'm like the type of person, like if we're walking, I didn't want to stop and like, you know, undo my shoe. So that was my stupidity for that. But yeah, blisters so bad. I think you can kind of see my blood here a little bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna show that, but yeah, I can see a little bit. So yeah, that's funny. I love these. Like, I'm gonna wear them again. I'm just not gonna have them as tight. Sorry, I'm gonna edit that out. These are a size 5, so this is like a UK 5, not a US 5, because I definitely wore a size 7. And like I was saying, I believe like I paid $50 for them. I never really pay more than like $50 on a pair of shoes, just because I just kind of think, unless it's like an UGG boot or something, I think it's a little bit ridiculous to spend that much money on shoes. I'd rather have a lot than have like one. Like, instead of paying like $500 for one pair of shoes, I'd rather buy like 10 pairs of shoes. I don't know, maybe that's just me. And I probably would buy 10 pairs. I probably would wear one like once or twice, and then they'd just sit there and I'm just looking an idiot like I do now, because literally I think I've worn like 3 of these shoes so far. Out of the 6 shoes I've showed you, I've worn 3 one time, and I don't know why it's like that. I have a problem. Send help, please. Okay, so these shoes, when I saw them on Fashion Nova, I was like, oh my god, I have to have those. And then I never wore them. Like, the papers in them, I have not worn these probably because I think I'm afraid to wear these. Like I said, they're white, and I originally wanted them in black, but then I saw them in white and I was like, oh my god, who's gonna have them in white though? Like, look at them. They have a little zipper. They have the studs all around. These were probably $49.99 for sure. And then I probably used a Fashion Nova get like the little codes or whatever, so I probably didn't pay that much for them. And I probably got free shipping because I probably ordered other stuff with them, knowing me. But they are a size 7.5. I got a 7.5 to be safe because I hate sending shoes back. Like, that's something I hate to do. So I'd rather, sometimes I'll risk my luck. Like, if they only have size 7 and size 8, I'll get a 7 just because I'm not gonna get an 8, because I feel like that's gonna be way too big for me to be wearing. So I got a 7.5 just to be safe, and they do fit, and I can actually probably wear socks with these because I'm not gonna be wearing these in the summer for sure. I'm gonna be wearing these in the fall and the winter when I actually do decide to wear them. But I think this boot is really cute. Like, I don't know what, I think I might have to get a white purse, but I think I haven't worn them yet because I'm kind of scared to wear them. Like, they're white and like, oh my god, I feel like they already have a little bit of scuff just from touching them. Like, I'm scared to wear them. Like, I'm actually terrified. Okay, so another shoe that I saw and I had to have, like, this was like, you need these. Like, there's no doubt about it in my mind. Like, when I saw them, I think it was love at first sight, honestly. And I don't say that about many things. Like, oh Oh my god. These are everything. Like, aren't you glad you met me? Like, that's exactly what they say. Like, these are so cute that I just could not have them. I got these from Pretty Little Thing. I love Pretty Little Thing. I shop there. I think I shop on Pretty Little Thing and Fashion Nova a bit too much. Oh, and like for shoes, I'll do like Public Desire and Ego. But yeah, for clothes, definitely Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing. I don't remember how much I paid for these, but I know it wasn't much. Like I said, under $50 for sure. And these, I cannot wait to wear these. Like I got an orange jumpsuit. I'm giving away too much details. I'm not gonna tell you just yet. If you follow my Instagram, you'll probably see the outfit. But yeah, I have not worn these yet because like I said, I was gonna wear these like out of town, and then my trips got canceled, both of them. So it's kind of upsetting. So these have just been sitting, but like when I tried these on, I felt like Cinderella. I know her glass slipper was actually clear, but the orange is just so cute. They do actually have these in clear. They make them in clear. I was considering getting them, but like the orange just really spoke to me. Like bright colors just really pop. I just love them. If you are looking for heels, go to Ego or Pretty Little Thing or Public Desire. They usually carry kind of the same thing. If it's sold out on one website, you can just check out the other. Okay, so the next shoe I'm about to show you guys, I bought these a long time ago. Like, I don't even know why I'm showing these in the haul. Maybe because I needed to do 10 shoes and I only had 9 like shoes. So I just kind of found these. But I got these like a couple of years, like I don't want to say a couple years ago. I'm pretty sure I got these a couple years ago. And I never wore them. And I've been kind of waiting for like my friends told me that these were hideous when I bought them. But I think they're so cute. And look, they also lace up. These were from Forever 21. I like this shoe. Like, this is a boss move shoe if you wear it right. These shoes cost $29.90. Come on. Not bad at all. And these are just so freaking cute. I don't know why I have not worn them. Probably saving them for, I don't know. I don't know. I could have worn these on like plenty of interviews by now. Side note, my dad and I were talking and he told me that I've had more jobs than him than like he's ever had in his lifetime. And I was like, oh my god, I have had a lot of jobs. Like I've had 10 so far since I was like 17. So in the past 7 years I've had 10 jobs. That's kind of bad. A little scary actually. I'm not afraid of commitment, I promise. And like seriously, the last shoes that I'm going to show you guys, you need to brace yourself for, because once you see these, is my lash coming off? It looks like it. Whatever. So the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys, you need to seriously brace yourself for these. Like these are some bad shoes. Like these are some bad boys, okay? So you might have seen them already. I have not worn them yet. When I saw them, I was like, I have to own those. And in the discussion, I purchased them from Steve Madden, of course. And I think Cardi B had these on. Oh my god. Look at these. These are called Wifey. These retail for, well, when they first came out, they were like $150. At first, I was like, I don't need these because I have these other 2 shoes. They're called Wagner. I got them in blush patent and black patent. I should have showed you guys those, but they look exactly like this, but they're black patent leather, and then one is like a blush patent leather. I had already purchased those, and I was like, I don't need this shoe. But then I kept staring at it, and I was like, I need this shoe. Like, this is a boss daddy move shoe. Like, This is like a real head turner, I know, and I cannot wait to wear these in the fall. I know they're like last season, I guess, but I'm not one of those people that cares about stuff like that. These were, how much did I pay for these? Probably like half off. I think I paid $60 for them. I was trying to wait for them to like get discounted, but I was like, they're not gonna have my size soon and I'm gonna lose my mind and I have to have them. So I went ahead and purchased wifey, and I got wifey in a 7.5, just because, you know, as if you guys have watched my last video, I will link my other shoe haul below. Steve Madden runs really narrow and it's not cute. So instead of having my feet screaming and in pain and agony, I just went up to half a size. So that concludes today's shoe haul. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. And most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.